Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to find and create your own trading strategy. I made this video because I am surprised how many people watched my last video where I teach you how to win on every trade with a mathematical strategy even if you lose. And in this video I will show you the most important 8 or 9 things that helped me to change my trades a lot and helped me to make money. And actually this is more like an introduction on next week's coming weeks what type of content I want to teach you. So if you really want to create your own trading strategy, you have to learn all these 9 things like support and resistance, trend lines, how to use a Fibonacci. Fibonacci is really important, and actually for me Fibonacci decide where to enter and where to exit in a trade. You have to learn to use it properly with A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever. You have to learn the candlesticks on any time frame. So if this formation it's on the screen, let's say on 4-hour time frame or daily time frame or 1-hour time frame, they all working differently. You really need to learn how these candles work. So let's say this is a bullish candle, bullish engulfing, whatever. This is doji. What's happened after doji? What's happened after bullish engulfing? What is happening after a bearish engulfing, if you can call this bearish engulfing or evening star formation? Most of the people, for example, teaching you this is an evening star formation, but it's not, because this bearish candle closed above this doji candle. So I made these examples. You understand what I'm trying to say, but you really need to learn how to use all of this. Okay, let's go on. I will make a video in the future about all this stuff, to teach you how to use it. What time in a day to take a trade. This is really important, because actually on certain time of the day the manipulation is happening. And what happening when it's a manipulation? It's liquidity. So the manipulation will come to liquidate you. Let's say you made your homework and everything, and you deciding to enter in a trade over here, let's say, with 26 pip stop loss, whatever. It doesn't matter how many pip stop loss is over here. I just wanted to give you an example. And let's say you see your strategy on the screen, and the market keep doing that, and on certain time of the day it is coming just liquidate you, then we'll go in a profit. And you don't know why all of this happening again and again and again and again, and you always think, oh, this is happening only to me, or you think you are stupid or whatever. No. So actually the big people, the people who making this game and who investing a lot of money, they know where is your stop loss and another few million people stop losses. So don't forget, Forex market is the biggest market in the world, and they allowing us to trade that market to take our money, not to give us the money. Just don't forget that. And this is happening all the time, to just liquidate you, then reverse, because they know where the most of the people put them stop losses. So that's why you need to learn on what time of the day you enter in a trade, because on some hours in a day the manipulation is happening. Okay, let's go on. Choose a pair and become a friend. So what does that mean? So you don't really need to trade on the 5 pairs on Forex or crypto or whatever, because all of them doing the same shit. For example, if GBP USD or Euro USD it is going up, let's say it is going up, the USD CAD is going down on the same time. The USD CAD is going down. So just choose a pair and become its friends. You need to study that pair you're choosing. Let's say you're choosing one or two pair. It's more than enough. You have to study that pairs until you become them friends, or that pair become your friend. So you need to know all the time what that pair is doing. So what it happens 4 hours ago, what happens yesterday, how it's closed last week, where is the liquidation on that pair. Yeah, so you need to know all the time. That's why I saying 1 or 2 pair is more than enough, and that's why most of the people saying less means more, because if you're trading only one pair, your focus will be only on that pair. Your head won't be on 10 different direction, and you're thinking, oh, Euro USD, that's happened on Euro USD, or this is happened on Aussie dollar, or on this, that. No, you have to choose only one, maximum two, focus on that pair, and spend all your time you have on 1 or 2 pair and learn them until they became your friend. Yeah, that's why I'm calling, because that's how I am with GBP USD, for example. Yeah, I all the time I watching GBP USD, and I 99% of the time I trading GBP USD. Yeah, okay. Now the next one, find confluences between the pairs. So what does that mean? What does that mean is, even if you're watching only one pair, after you learned all of this, yeah, for example, support and resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci, candlesticks, times, liquidity, everything, even if you're trading only on GBP USD, you always have to find the confluences on the other pairs as well. Yeah, and the most important is Dixie. Yeah, the dollar, only the dollar. For example, if you see, I don't know, support and resistance on, if you see a support resistance on GBP, yeah, what do you need to find on dollar? For example, this is GBP, and it's coming and it's coming and it's coming, and this resistance became weaker. What do you need to see on the same time on dollar, on Dixie, is support. Yeah, let's do this for US dollar. This needs to become a support. Yeah, and once our GBP is go down, or dollars, once our dollar is go down, yeah, sorry, our GBP must go up. And if you use the Fibonacci on the correct way, this need to do the same thing on the same time with the dollar when you decide to enter in a trade. Look, this is very, very important. So even if you find a strategy and you like that strategy and you think it's working for you, yeah, I don't know, let's say you're trading based on evening star or morning star formation, yeah, always look on the same time frame on the US dollar if it's done the same thing, or Euro USD. Many confluences, more confluences you find on that pair, your chance to win that trade are bigger. Yeah, so this is really, really important. We find confluences between pair. Now the next one, it's what was that? Find your own style. Yeah, why do I say your own style of trading? Now I trade all the time with usual. I trade with 16 pips stop loss and 48 pips take profit. Yeah, with 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. But that doesn't mean you have to do the same. You can go for 10 pips stop loss and 10 pip take profit. 1-to-1 risk to reward, or of course you have to measure all the time your win rate as well. If your win rate is 80-90%, yeah, you can go to 1-to-1 if that helps you, if that makes you a profit. On the same time, you can have 30% or 40% win rate, but you have 3-to-1 risk to reward, or 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 risk to reward. Yeah, if you have 5-to-1 risk to reward and you have a, I don't know, 30% win ratio, you're still making a lot of profit. That's why you need to learn your own trading style. Yeah, you have to work on that. And the last one, it's learn to lose. Yeah, let's say if you lose a trade, if you lose 2 trades, 3 trades in a row, that doesn't mean you have to find another strategy. No, you have to work on your strategy and refine it. Yeah, sometimes even if your strategy works great, that's happened to me as well. You can have one losing month continuously. You can take 2-3 trades, 4 trades per week, and I don't know, for the whole month you're taking between 10 and 15 trades, and 6 or 7 of that are losing, or 9 of that are losing. But before that, for 6 months, your win rate, you was winning 7 or 8 trades out of 10, and you see something is going wrong. That doesn't mean you have to change your strategy or find something else. No, just learn. That's why I'm saying learn to lose. So you have to understand that the market are changing sometimes, because if the market does the same thing all the time, everybody will learn in the end how to make money. And like I told you before, the big guys are not here to give us money. So even if you find a good strategy which works for you, yeah, sometimes you have to lose for the people who are wrong to win. Yeah, that will make them believe they're doing the right thing, and they will keep pushing money to the market. Yeah, if they're winning, let's say, if they're winning $2,000, yeah, and they will lose $3,000 or $4,000, they will still think they are right and they will win again. But on the long run, they're winning 2, they're losing 3. They're winning 2, they're losing 2.5. They're winning 2, they're losing 5, and they still going like that. And you need to be same like them, but reversal. Yeah. So for example, you're losing 2, you're winning 3. You're losing 2, you're winning 2.5. You're losing 2, you're winning 5. And you need to be opposite, and you have to understand that sometimes for them to win and make them believe they are right, the people who are doing right, they need to lose. Okay, hopefully you understood what I'm trying to say. Yeah, and this, what I said, everything I said in this video, I know it's I don't know how to say it. Probably you was expecting to show you what to do and where to enter and how to use everything. I will show you in the future. Yeah, if I see interest on this video and my other contents as well, I will show you how to use support, trendline, Fibonacci, candlestick, time in a day, and stuff like that. Like I said previously, I'm not gonna give you everything I know, of course, but I will give you the most important thing to help you to find your way. Because if I knew all this stuff from beginning, I knew what I was looking for. When I started trading, I saw that many gurus who was telling and teaching us a shit, didn't teach us anything. I don't know, I was looking for something, but I didn't know what I was looking for. I don't know how to tell, but with all of this, you need to, should be easier for you, because at least you know what you're looking for. Okay, you're going for step 1, support and resistance. Okay, what did it mean? How the other people using a support and resistance, what should I do different to win, or to understand how this support and resistance works? Okay, trend lines, what everybody knows about trend lines. Okay, they know what you see on the screen now. Yeah, for example, over here on this trend line, they're using, everybody knows you need to have at least 2 points to be support, yeah, for this trend line. And everybody knows that if this is point 1, this is point 2, they will enter over here on point 4. But what if this is wrong? What if you don't should enter over here on the trend line? What you can do differently to beat that game, because actually this trend line, everybody know about this trend line, and if this is work, they will enter over here as well, and this is more wrong, trust me. Okay, at least you know now what you're looking for, on these trend lines. Have a look on YouTube or wherever you want and see what everybody knows about trend line, and try to learn something different. Yeah, Fibonacci, what everybody know about Fibonacci. Everybody know Fibonacci as a retracement, but not many people talking to you about Fibonacci extension. So now, because you have this one as well, how the Fibonacci works. Yeah, ABCD. Everybody knows about ABC. Let me change this color because I don't really like red. I don't know why, but yeah. So agree. Learn how the Fibonacci works. What level works for you? You know, for your strategy. You have AB. This can be C, and this can be C. You never know. What usual does is going to point D. Yeah. Now, if you combine this, you will understand where the point C will be, and you can take a short. Okay. And if you learn this, yeah, candlestick pattern, you will understand where the point D will be. So that's why I said you have to learn all these 9 points, because they all together, yeah, they will bring you a success, yeah, on this game. And this liquidity is very important, and manipulation. I really want to talk a lot about this stuff because it's unbelievable how it works. Yeah. Okay, guys, I don't want to make it too long. Unfortunately, like I said, I didn't show you a secret. You know, actually, this is a big secret what I showed you today. Yeah. With all of this to learn, but I didn't show you exactly how to take a trade because you have to work on it. And trust me, once you learn all this stuff, nobody can take them from you. So this is yours. All the knowledge, it's yours. Like I told you, if you stay tuned, I will help you to understand better how to use them, because if you leave me a comment, and if you say you want to learn how I see the market, I will start to make a video straight in, you know, if I see interest on people. And I will help you to understand how all of this works, but I would like to make a video for each one of them. I want to make a video for support, trend lines, Fibonacci is really important. Over here about the candles, we have a lot to talk about. Liquidity, we have a lot to talk, you know, and how to find confluences as well. And probably on a video I will come with examples as well, how to find them on the charts. Yeah. Okay, guys, I don't want to make it too long, and I hope you appreciate this video. Probably it sounds boring, but it's more like psychological, you know, to support you, and try to understand that it's not everything in trading, it's not everything about the technicals, yeah, about the trend lines and stuff like that. This learn to lose, I showed you a mathematical strategy, yeah, how to learn to lose. So if your risk management is on place, and you have that strategy now with 3-1, yeah, for example, you can make your own mat with 2-1 or 4-1, yeah, you can lose and be happy. When I talk to people about this stuff without showing them my strategy, they laughing, you know, they always telling me you can't lose and be happy. Yeah, of course I'm not happy, I'm not laughing, but I'm not stressed, and that's the most important, because if I'm not stressed, I will go for the next trade with clear mind, and this is the most important thing, you know, as well. So in trading, it's not everything about trend lines and Fibonacci and stuff like that. No, it's psychology, and it's all about your own control. Okay, guys, I'm waiting your comments and your feedback about this video. I don't know how much you like this video, but I will hope you share to with the people who you know they are interested and they struggling to find them way. So I'm quite busy on these times, and I don't really have a time for social media and YouTube. And like I told you, I didn't start this channel to be, I don't know, to have thousands of subscribers. No, but I really want to help people to find them way. I don't want to give them everything, because if I give you everything, you won't understand, you know, and you will do the thing I showing you for a certain amount of time, but one day you will give up on them. So that's why I want to help you to find your own way, your own strategy, your own style, who will be only yours, and only you will be understanding that perfectly, if you know what I mean. Okay, I'm waiting your feedback, and please share this video if you know someone who's struggling to learn, and like, subscribe, and let's see where this channel goes. Okay, bye guys.